Hi, my name's Adam and I just got off work. Just got off the train at Midtown Station. Wanted to go to the Westside to get a bite to eat and a drink and thought I'd hit up the new route, 14 bus. Never taken it before, so I thought I'd give it a try. So the new 14 bus runs every 30 minutes, 7 days a week. It comes 15 minutes after the hour and every 45 minutes after the hour, which is great because I don't have to rely on any timetables, but it's easy to remember. I haven't had a car here in Atlanta for the past 7 years. And part of the reason why is I absolutely hate driving. I normally am doing work. I'll open up my laptop, I'll read. So for me, I'd much rather take the opportunity to take the bus than get in a car and sit in traffic and have to be in control. It's so great to just sit back and enjoy the ride. So this new route is cool because it just goes straight up 14th Street from Midtown to West Midtown and it hits all the shopping centers, restaurants, and it's really easy to get to. So I just got off the bus here at 14th and Howell Mill. There's a lot of different spots I can go explore, so I'm gonna get to it. And that's how I use MARTA. How do you MARTA?